So some of the biggest wallets holding XRP bought even more XRP, and we're talking billions of XRP. That's right, whales, or as some people call them, smart money, just bought billions and billions of XRP worth billions of dollars following the decision by Judge Torres giving Ripple a victory over the SEC. Now, according to analytics firm Sentiment, there's some other milestone activity happening on the XRP ledger. In this video, I'm going to tell you about it and what it could mean. Also, there is a huge announcement that just came down from Ripple itself, and I'm going to tell you what it could be and when it's officially going to be announced. There's speculation that it could be IPO, among other things. We're going to talk about all that in this video. Hey everyone, my name is Randy. Welcome back to the Late Night Grind. Right now on this channel, we are covering the Ripple versus the SEC case, but I'm also covering cryptocurrency news, investment markets, and personal finance. So if any or all these topics interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and join the Late Night Grind community. And if you do a couple things, I'd appreciate it. Smash the thumbs up button and watch this video all the way to the end. Those really are the two best things you can do to support a YouTube channel. So if you do that, I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, guys. Let's jump into it. So I first wanted to start off by talking about Ripple's big announcement. Now this came from Ripple itself, from Ripple's official Twitter account. Now what they have been doing was, since they won the court case against the SEC, Brad Garlinghouse has said there needs to be a proper party to celebrate the regulatory clarity that XRP received. Well, since then, they've actually put this together. This is September 29th in New York City. Ripple is hosting a huge party, and the tickets are free. Now this is for influencers, people supporting Ripple, people interested in XRP, basically anybody who wanted to get a ticket. However, they are now sold out. Why? Well, because the tickets were free and they were very limited supply. They did this in 2 runs, and the first time I was about an hour late. The second run, literally within about 10 minutes of them opening the page to get your free ticket and to register, well, it was sold out. Not much we can do about it. I missed it. Hopefully somebody cancels. Maybe I'll get a chance to get a ticket, so we'll see. If not, let me know in the comment section down below if you're heading to New York City at the end of the month to party with Brad Garlinghouse and Ripple. So in a tweet, they said at this proper party, there is going to be a huge announcement. Now, this is the speculation. Many people are speculating that could be an official settlement with the SEC because, as you know, the SEC is still going after Ripple's executives, saying that they aided and abetted Ripple in selling securities to these private investors. Now, of course, Ripple is now probably going to be appealing that, but regardless, settlement is one of those announcements people are talking about. The other part of this is that people are speculating that Ripple is going to make its official announcement that they are going IPO. Now, this isn't big news if you've followed Ripple for some time. They've been saying this for years, that they were likely going IPO. I remember making a video of it approximately 2 years ago when they were talking about it. However, they had to wait for this case versus the SEC to clear up, and it looks like it is clearing up. There are more and more headlines I'm seeing on social media about Ripple starting to get ready and filing for its IPO. That's going to be a very interesting thing. Whether or not that does anything for the price of XRP, I don't know. But it could lead into what the next part of my video is going to be about, and that is the massive accumulation and on-chain activity of XRP. Now, if Ripple in fact does go IPO, there's going to be mainstream coverage of the event, as Ripple is now becoming a mainstay, becoming a huge fintech company because they're based in the United States and because XRP has its regulatory clarity. Ripple has now announced that they have now 30 licenses for as a money transmitter in the United States, in many different countries. If that doesn't say bullish, well, then I don't know what does. But there is a major distinction. I want to be very clear here. There is a big time difference between Ripple, which is a fintech company involved in the banking sector, and XRP, which is a cryptocurrency, and the XRP ledger, a decentralized ledger which you can build applications on, transact cryptocurrencies, and so forth. There is a big difference. Yes, Ripple is using XRP and the ledger for amazing things in the finance world, but make no mistake, those two individual things are indeed separate. And before I get into my next segment, I wanted to talk to you about $100 in free USDT that you could be getting. Well, you can get that weekly if you're one of the top 3 depositors on Fairdesk. What is Fairdesk? It is a crypto exchange where you can do trading, you can do copy trading, you can copy my trades, you can copy top tier traders in which you can essentially link to your account, and when they make their trades, you can earn the profit as well. There's a link to a full tutorial in which you can see exactly how to do that and exactly how to set that up. Up here, there's also a link in the description below. And keep in mind, there's a $1.8 million trading contest that is starting on the 10th, September 10th. And I can't wait. That is going to be so much fun. Literally millions of dollars worth of prizes. USDT, coupons, bonuses, all kinds of stuff that they are going to be giving away. Fairdesk is an exchange that the Late Night Grind is partnered with, full disclosure. So if you want to jump on board and at least start copy trading and let some top tier traders trade with essentially your money, then go ahead and sign up at the link description below. There is no need for KYC if you don't want to, although you do get a small bonus if you do. And if you are referred by the Late Night Grind community, you are automatically upgraded to a VIP 1, which means you get much cheaper trading fees, which means more profit. Full tutorial in the video linked here or link in the description below. You can go and sign up. Now, according to Sentiment, which is an on-chain analytics firm, they've been publishing the figures that have been going on the XRP ledger, the volume of XRP, and the wallets that are holding XRP and what they're doing currently. Right now, there are wallets that hold about 10 million XRP or more that have been doing some massive accumulating since July 20th. Those wallets, meaning the wallets that have held 10 million or more, have acquired an additional 16.8 billion XRP just between those wallets, which currently is worth about $8 billion. So the top people holding XRP are doubling down and going all in on the potential spike in price increase of XRP. Now the rich could be getting richer. As they say, look at what the smart money is doing, and thanks to on-chain analytics, we can see this a lot more clearly. In several videos ago, I talked about a group of people that have been doing some massive buying, the whales that have been doing some massive buying of XRP. But here's what Sentiment had to say. It isn't just the massive accumulation of XRP. It's actually the on-chain activity, all the different transactions, and even the utility of XRP in the XRP ledger is ramping up. Both transaction volume, which in August saw about 2 billion XRP transacted, but also all the overall transactions and activity amounted to about 4 billion XRP being moved around the XRP ledger. Not only that, this is one of the most bullish things that I've heard in a long time. There is some major activity going on in the development of applications on the XRP ledger, and the dev activity that is going on. Now, in my opinion, I think there's a lot of companies, a lot of applications, a lot of developers waiting to develop on the XRP ledger until the Ripple versus SEC case had cleared up. Now that XRP has its clarity, there's a lot more developmental activity going on. So as these whales have accumulated in billions of XRP, they're simply waiting around for the next bull run. At least that's what it appears. So some people believe that there is a cyclical bull run that is about ready to happen. The Bitcoin halving is coming up next spring, and there are those in another camp that say those are literal coincidences and that the M2 money supply is what's driving the Bitcoin price and other risk-on assets, such as some of the things in the stock market. But let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, for smashing that thumbs up button, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.